Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math. Question number 5. The ratio of Henry's mass to Lily's mass is 7 to 5. Henry 的质量和李雷的质量的比是7比5 and their average mass is 42 kilograms. 它们的平均质量是42千克。Find Henry's mass. The proportionality between two quantities shows what happens when they are added together. 这里的比例能够告诉我们的是，这两个量如果说加在一起会是一个什么样的情况。So, Henry 7x kilograms, if then Lily would be 5x kilograms, and the sum of their mass will be 7x plus 5x equals 12x kilograms. Their average mass is 42 kilograms, so sum 42 kilograms times 2, 84 kilograms. That means 12x equals 84. X equals 84 divided by 12. X is 7. And the question is to find Harry's mass. Harry 7x equals 7 times 7, 49. So the answer is 49 kilograms. Harry's mass is 49 kilograms. Thanks for watching.